Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this series I am talking about Frontity, the React framework for WordPress. Hey, I am Lax, and if you are like me, a web developer who uses WordPress and React and exploring new things, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight to the point. Yeah, in this video I'll be talking about how you can contribute to Frontity. Yeah, as you all know, Frontity is it's not actually very new, but it requires the developers support. Why? Because it's open source and it's a growing community. And maybe if you are like me, instead of just complaining about the shortcomings of WordPress, like, hey, it could be improved, it's just the use of page builders, it's not modern. So if you have all that complaints, that's Frontity is the answer. It's a WordPress focused React framework. So why don't you give it a try? And maybe if you are already using Frontity and you want to contribute to it, since it's an open source project, so I'll show you how. These are the possible options that you could do and contribute in a better way. Yeah, first you can help the team to expand the documentation. So maybe you feel like the documentation could be improved, or you found any bugs, or I saw some developer mentioned the code sandbox of Frontity, the the default testing, or if you want to try it out, so that could be improved. So something like that. If you have any comments or anything to expand or something, you're most welcome to do it. And then you could spread the word, you can tweet about it, or you can mention it in your blog, or you can you might be having a newsletter, or you may be talking like this, like to your audience in your YouTube channel or somewhere. So you could just spread the word. Maybe Frontity may not be the answer for all the WordPress sites, but it could help somebody, right? Especially if a person who's just starting out, maybe they build the site, but they want to make it faster, or they want to try the modern tools, and so for them this could be helpful. So you are going to introduce Frontity to the newer set of people, like young developers, or people who are already into React. Maybe they may be well versed with React, and they may be looking for a simple backend. So they could use just WordPress for it and as a data source, and then they can use Frontity in the front end. And then share your work. Like, you might be using Frontity for your personal portfolio, or your client's website. So whatever that kind of work, you could share it. You could add it to the Frontity showcase. And if you are even more would like to contribute more, you could share your work. Like, you may created a package for Frontity or a theme, so you could open source it and participate in future discussions, like what should be the next feature, what Frontity is missing. I've been like this, I've been there, done that. Like, I used to just complain, yeah, this feature is missing, this is not that good enough, or it could be done better. So if you have that thoughts, you just go to the community forum, and it's open and welcoming group. And I see that the core Frontity team is very keen and listening to the feedback, and they are ready to experiment, ready to collaborate. And you could also possibly understand why they choose one over the other. So why Frontity is opinionated, or how it could be improved, or any other stuff. The upcoming feature right now, as of March 2021, is AMP support, and the other features will be, I guess there are some new commands, adding new commands to Frontity, and there are other features. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, so you can see these features are awaiting development. So if you are, if you have some time and you would really like to contribute it, so feel free to go here and see these feature discussions are awaiting development. So you could start developing and have a, send a pull request. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me know how you are already contributing to not just to Frontity or any other open source project. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.